What if earning online didn't require you to show up everywhere, to hustle, and pretend to be someone that you're not? If you're a Christian woman over 50 who wants to earn money online without wasting years chasing the wrong things and without compromising your faith or your peace, come sit with me for a minute. Grab your tea and take a breath, because I want to walk you through what's actually working right now heading into 2026 in a way that honors God, this chapter of life that you're in, and your energy. I'm going to be really honest with you. For a long time, I felt pulled between wanting financial breathing room and not wanting another high-stress job, something that required hustle, or something that didn't align with my values. I prayed for clarity, and I learned skills slowly. And over time, I discovered a simple, sustainable way to build income online that fits a midlife season, not one that burns you out. And today, I want to show you that path. If you're anything like me, you're not interested in grinding 10 hours a day. You want flexibility, peace of mind, the freedom to be generous with others, with your time and your finances, and time to spend with those people who mean so much to you. You don't want pressure, you want stewardship. So let's break down the 4 essentials that you need to build income online the right way. Let's start with the part that makes a lot of women nervous. You need something to sell. But take a breath. You don't need something uncomfortable, salesy, or complicated. There are slower methods out there. Physical products, handmade items, marketplace selling, and yes, these can work. But they often come with thin margins, platform fees, and constant effort. Trust me, I know, because years ago I had a stained glass business, so I understand thin margins and constant effort. What I've found works best in this season is digital products. Digital products are things that people can download instantly. Guides, checklists, devotionals, workshops, resources that help solve one clear problem. They're affordable and scalable, and most importantly, they allow you to share wisdom that you already have. So you're not starting from scratch. You're sharing what God has already given you. Another option is sharing digital products that someone else has created. This is called affiliate marketing. And I have one rule. I only recommend what I genuinely believe in. Trust and integrity matter to me. And as a Christian woman, integrity is a non-negotiable. Next, you need an email list. Not for pressure, not for spam, but for community. Your email list is something you own. It's not controlled by an algorithm. It starts with a free resource, not a massive project, something that gives another Christian woman a small win or something of value to them. Recently, I developed a PDF. It's called Seek, Serve, and Steward, and it's a 31-day devotional. You can find this in the description of my YouTube channel if you'd like a free copy. Now let's talk about automation, my favorite part. Automation simply means your emails send on their own, your system works quietly in the background, and your business supports your life instead of consuming it. This is how you build income without being glued to your phone. It's not about doing more, it's about setting things up wisely so that they run automatically. Automation has shown me it isn't only about income. It's also about designing a life that supports my calling and doesn't distract from it. You see, when automation is running in the background, I've got time to go visit a friend who's going through a difficult time. I can make my health a priority and enjoy a workout or a game of pickleball. Or I can volunteer at the food bank or a student event. And I can spend the time to make a healthy dinner for my international family. Choose one platform and learn it well. This is where many women burn out. You do not need to be everywhere. For me, the platform is YouTube because it allows long-term visibility, deeper conversations, trust building, and steady growth over time. It's slower, but it's solid. It fits my values-based business perfectly. So let's recap. Digital products allow you to earn with integrity. A simple freebie grows your community. Automation protects your time. One focused platform prevents burnout. This is how Christian women build an income with peace and not pressure. If you're sitting there thinking, Carol, I still don't know where to start, I get it. That's exactly why I'm gifting you the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It walks you through what to offer, how to set it up simply, and how to build this step by step without overwhelm. You'll find the link in the description below. And my friend, if you have questions, you're not on this journey alone. I'm here with you. Considering your identity in Christ and your lived experiences, this next season of life can hold both purpose and provision. The first step is yours. In this next video, I'll share with you the real reason behind the name Heavenly Payday, the name of my YouTube channel, and why I believe faith, provision, and stewardship belong together. This isn't about hustle culture or hype. It's about putting God first and stewarding the opportunities that He places in front of us. Thank you for subscribing and watching. I'll see you in the next video.